Introducing the Smeg Steam100 Pro. This oven offers a hugely versatile cooking cavity that enables you to use it either as a traditional baking oven or as a full steam oven, or combine the steam and traditional methods for excellent results. Cooking with full steam not only offers the benefits of healthy, nutritious and tasty food, but also exceptional versatility due to the variety of different foods that can be cooked using full steam. For information and tips of cooking with full steam, check out the video linked in the description. When combining steam with the traditional oven function, a humidity level can be selected. This is excellent for providing light baking results and juicy roasting results. For advice on what you can cook and how to cook foods using this combined method, click on the video linked in the description. To elevate the cooking experience further, the Steam100 Pro oven allows you to select bursts of steam throughout cooking. This feature enables the addition of humidity at set intervals to create soft and succulent results, but with absolute precision. Level 1 is perfect for cooking with a lid or adding delicate moisture to foods such as chicken breasts, roasted fish, pizzas, vegetables and bread. Level 2 is recommended for low temperature cooking of large, lean roasts, medium-sized fish and roasted potatoes. Level 3 is ideal for cooking with a lid and adding additional liquids, such as wine. It's recommended for braised meats, curries, large fish and casseroles. The steam level that can be selected depends on the set cooking duration. Level 1 is always available. Level 2 is for 30 minutes and upwards, and level 3 is for 45 minutes and upwards. It's also possible to manually select bursts of steam. These injections of steam are active as long as the indicator light is flashing, and that's for a duration of approximately 8 minutes. When adding water into the oven to generate steam, the Steam100 Pro uses a sophisticated fill and hide system that allows you to add water without opening the door. This is simple to operate and can be done so whilst the door is shut, providing optimum energy efficiency. For guidance on how to fill the Steam100 Pro, please click on the video linked in the description. Apart from the ability to use the oven as a traditional oven, as a full steam oven, and use the steam in a more controlled way by adding a percentage of humidity or bursts of steam, the oven also offers a whole host of features such as automatic programs, multi-step cooking, and a food temperature probe. For more information on this, please click on the link in the description. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.